bear with me. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today, I'm doing another hair video, and I know you're like, what the fuck, you've only done one like a week ago. Well, we've had issues. So, if you haven't been here before, hi, I'm Lucy, and last December, my hair was silver. And I went to the hairdressers, professional hairdressers, and I wanted mauve, like lilac-y mauve, or pink. And my hairdresser was like, no, babe, let's do green. We'll do green, and then in January we'll do lilac. And I was like, okay, fine. My glasses are steaming up. I was like, okay, we'll do that. As long as we can go back blonde by the summer, I'm good. So we did green, and it looked amazing. Put a picture of it in, absolutely loved it. However, after like 2 washes, it faded to blue. Why is this one glass all steamy? And I absolutely fucking hate blue hair on me. Hate it. Beautiful on other people. Elsa queens, princes, ice queens and princesses. Amazing princes, beautiful. I love it. On me, I hate it. So, use the Shrine Drops. Tried, before anyone says, did you try and get it out? I tried vitamin C, anti-dandruff shampoo, bicarbonate of soda, all mixed together as well, did nothing. Hair colour remover, bleach bath, and then straight bleach. Did nothing, just still bright fucking blue. Then someone suggested Shrine Drops, so I used the Shrine Drops, the orange ones. Amazing, and it covered it, was beautiful. However, every time I wash my hair, it's just getting more and more mucky blue again, and it's just gross. It just looks horrible. I hate it. So, I know it's not obviously like bright blue now, but this colour, what the fuck is that? That's just horrible. It's just horrible, like, it's gross. So, some bits under here have stayed really nice and orange, look. What's that? Obviously my roots were dyed dark. I had a shadow root done, like a dark root done, and then the green. So I don't understand why those bits are orange, but the ends, and then some bits up here aren't orange, because like surely this bit of hair is the same as this bit of hair. Like, it just makes no sense, and I just fucking hate it. It looks absolutely revolting. So, saw this the other day. Took my eldest out for an eye test, and had to go walk through Boots to get to the elevator to get out, and saw this. It's a Makeup Revolution. Hadn't seen it before. Revolution Tones for Brunettes, California Orange, non-permanent colour, conditioner and gloss. Vegan and cruelty free. Says it washes out in 2 to 15 washes, and then it says blues, greens and purples will take longer to wash out of your hair. I don't even want to talk about blues because never again, or greens. So yeah, semi-permanent. I'm going to give it a go. Just to see. I would carry on using the Shrine Drops. I have been using them every time I've washed my hair. I've used the Shrine Drops and added more and more every time, but it's literally just, I don't even know what it's doing. I don't know what it's doing. I need some tea, I'm stressing. Yeah, so we're going to chuck this on my hair. This is happening. It looks quite nice. Get out and show everybody. She looks good. It does remind me a little bit of like the Bleach London bottles, not gonna lie. I think it was £6, which I didn't think was too bad. I'm gonna wang the whole thing on my hair, probably 90% of it on my hair. I'm gonna go and do it in the bathroom and film on my phone. Or I might take the camera in there, I don't know yet. But we're gonna put it on my hair. We're gonna leave it on for the allocated length of time that it tells me to. Wash it off, and then we'll see if my hair is less shit than it is now. So I'll see you in a bit. So it's been maybe 2 hours since I put the stuff on my hair. I washed it off after the allocated amount of time, but then the baby needed a nap, so he just slept on me, and I just plopped it. So I haven't seen it yet. I'm a little bit nervous, but we shall see. Oh, I love it. I really like it. Oh, it feels nice. So that is the colour when it's wet. Do I leave it curly? Oh, is there a little bit of green under there? Still bluey green under there? Maybe a little bit. I don't know. I'm gonna blow dry it quickly and then I'll come back and show you when it's dry. Hey, so it's all dry. It seems to be quite good coverage, just right on the ends. It's a little bit less vibrant. It feels really nice. I'm really happy with it. I haven't had orange hair for years. Like, I don't even think I've had orange hair intentionally. Obviously I've had orange hair when I've bleached it and fucked it up, but I don't think I've intentionally had orange hair since before I had my kids. So yeah, my oldest is 6.5, so it's been a while since I've had orange hair, but I like it. I'm really happy. I'm hoping it's not going to wash out too quickly, and then the blue just shows through again. If that happens, I don't know what I'm going to do. I might just shave my head. I'm so fed up with the blue. It's just made me really sad. Let me know if you've got any tips on what I can do if the blue manages to show its ugly head again. But yeah, that was the Revolution tones for brunettes California orange on my hair. So you can see at the top it's just left a bit of a tinge rather than like it is a tone, like it's just given some warmth to my roots. Obviously I've got it all over my head because I'm shit at applying hair dye, but that will just wash off. I'm not worried about that. Yeah, it's left it feeling really nice, so I'm a very happy panda. I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.